Governor Kim Reynolds has filed a motion to challenge the injunction on the state's fetal heartbeat bill. As you'll remember, the bill, which outlawed abortions at 6 weeks of pregnancy, was passed by the legislature and signed by Governor Reynolds back in 2018. However, a permanent injunction was enacted by the court in early 2019. Governor Reynolds and her legal team now are asking the court to dissolve that decision based on Iowa's Supreme Court decision to overturn a previous ruling on a right to abortion in the state and SCOTUS's overruling of Roe v. Wade earlier this year.